friends, I'm so excited to start doing mindfulness poses with you again. I've missed you all, but before we can start, first we have to get our muscles ready for stretching. So if you can, sit down with me and sit crisscross applesauce. And we are going to start by reaching over and stretching to one side. We're going to hold that for 5 seconds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to stretch over the other way, over the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we're going to stretch forward and we're going to snip our toes. Make sure they smell good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do they smell good? Woo! Pete, you! And now we're going to go over the rainbow this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go back down to our toes again. Say hello, toes. Hello, toes. 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to stand up on our feet. And we're going to stretch down to our toes again. There we go. If you have to bend your knees, that's okay. Let's hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to come up on our tippy toes, way up high on your tippy toes, super tall. And you're going to say, hello, sky. Hello, sky. Stretch up high, wiggle your fingers. Now we're going to go down and we're going to say hello to our toes. Hello, toes. Hello, ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, while we're standing, we're going to go up over the rainbow again. This time, let's hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you're breathing so your muscles can stretch. We're going to go over the rainbow this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your feet together. You're going to put one foot forward and you're going to stretch your back leg. And you're going to hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your feet together. It's okay if you topple over. And now we're going to do the other foot forward and stretch this leg. And we're going to hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your feet back together. Now we're going to stretch our toes. Wiggle your toes. Now you're going to move up. You're going to move your calf muscles. You're going to stretch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your thigh muscles up here. Stretch them. Get them ready. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your fingers. Let me see you wiggle your fingers. Say hello to all of your friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the pose we're going to be doing today. It's called the eagle pose. And it says here, I feel cuddly. And it says that because what we're going to do, we're going to wrap ourselves up nice and tight. So what we're going to do is stand tall in a mountain pose, wrap your left leg around your right, bring your bent arms out in front of you, wrap your right arm around your left arm, and bend your knees slightly. Take a deep breath. Hug yourself close and say, I feel cuddly. Switch sides and repeat the steps. For eagle pose, we're going to start by standing in mountain pose, which just means you're going to stand with your legs apart and your hands by your side. Now what you're going to do is take one of your feet and wrap it around the foot that's standing. You might feel a little wobbly And that's okay. Try as hard as you can to balance yourself. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take one arm and wrap around another, like this. You might still feel a little wobbly. You might wobble this way, or you might wobble that way, but that's okay. Just try and stand as straight as possible. And now let's try and hold it for 10 seconds. If you fall out, it's okay. Just stand right back in. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath and come out of your eagle pose. Stretch your arms and your legs. And now we're going to try on the other side. So don't forget, start in your mountain pose. And now you're going to take the other leg and wrap it around the leg that's standing. And take your arms and wrap them around. Just like this. Take some deep breaths. And you're going to hold for another 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can untangle out of your eagle pose. And you did it. Let's try one more time on both sides. Again, start in your mountain pose. And you're going to take your one leg, stretch out, and wrap it around. Now we're going to do the same thing with our arms. Stretch them out far, and then wrap them around. And let's hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come out, back into mountain pose. And let's try again on the other side. We're going to stretch your leg out far and wrap it around. And now stretch your arms out and wrap them around. And let's hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come out and take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Sometimes these poses are a little tricky at first. So what you can do is start by just doing the bottom of your body. You're going to stretch your leg out and then wrap it around your foot and hold it that way. Let's do 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back in eagle pose. And now let's try the other side. Stretch out and cross. 5-second hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you want to try just the arms, you can stand in your mountain pose, and let's stretch our arms out. Stretch. Make sure you're taking deep breaths, and we're going to cross our arms. It's a little tricky. It's okay if you have to retry it. Now let's hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now stretch your arms out again. And let's do the other arm to wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back down to mountain pose.